Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to add follow button to your Facebook profile. It's simple. First of all, you need to log in your account into the Facebook app. Simply go in menu bar. Here you can see the settings and privacy. Under the settings and privacy, open the settings. First of all, you simply open the setting of how people find and contact you. In that you can open who can send you friend request. Press on friends of friends and go back to the setting. Here you can see the followers and public content. Simply change all the setting to the public. Alright, that's it. Now you just simply add follow button to your Facebook profile. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.